Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to do a quick review on the Klein Tools cordless 1/4-inch impact driver. This is model BAT20-CD. Comes with a 3-year warranty. This also uses the Dewalt 20-volt battery. So without further ado, let's get this thing out so you can take a look at it. All right, so you can see here, I've got a Dewalt battery I borrowed. It's got the Klein Tools logo here. You've got a variable speed switch, LED light. You have your forward and reverse, and in the center it locks the trigger. You have a quick connect collar. Let me see here. There we go. And forward. And so with a couple of things I saw here. On this particular 1/4-inch impact, it's got a loop here where you can put a belt loop or a clip on it. But it also comes where you can put the clip here in the side. However, these did not come with the little screw or belt clip that would fit these. You know, I kind of wish Klein would, if you're going to have that feature, make sure you include the clip because it makes a big difference. People look at it and go, well, where's the clip I'm missing? And, might take it back to the store saying, hey, there's parts missing out of it. When in all actuality, Klein doesn't provide one. So just to let you know, this thing does up to 2,200 RPMs at 210 foot-pounds of torque. So it's a pretty powerful little compact impact driver. So I'm just going to give you a quick demo here. And we'll just do these. These are not pre-drilled holes. There's one. Looks like it did 3 of them pretty quick and fairly easy. Let's reverse and pull them out. That's good. There's that one. There's that one. Okay, so as you can see, like I mentioned, this has a quick disconnect. You can take that out, set it to one side. Just want to point out the LED light again, because this is really helpful if you're in a low light situation, either in the evening or like maybe up underneath a cabinet. They make a big difference in using this. This tool only weighs about 2.3 pounds with the battery on it, so it's not too heavy. A couple of things here. I don't really like the fact that you have to use a Dewalt battery, because if you don't have Dewalt tools already, then you're going to have to go buy a Dewalt battery and a charger. And again, I just want to show you here on the bottom of the tool where it states that it's operated by Dewalt 20-volt batteries. To do this review, I had to actually borrow this from someone who has Dewalt. So, if you have Dewalt tools and batteries, would you still buy this Klein 1/4-inch impact? Or would you just buy and or use a Dewalt? In the comment section below, let me know. Would you buy this tool knowing that you had to use Dewalt batteries and charger? Or if you have Dewalt tools, cordless tools and batteries, would you still buy this? Because you could add this to your collection. Anyway, in the comments, let me know, yes or no, if you would do that. For myself, what I've noticed about this tool is that, and what I would like to see Klein do, is put this tool with their own battery and charger as a kit, because currently this tool is about $150. Just the tool, no battery, no charger, nothing. Klein makes really good tools, but so does Dewalt, Milwaukee, Ryobi, and others. That's why I personally wouldn't buy this, because I don't have Dewalt tools. But if I had Dewalt tools, I might buy it and I might not, just depending on if I had a 1/4-inch drive in a Dewalt tool. If this review was helpful for you, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps me with YouTube. Like I said, don't hesitate to put in the comments whether you'd buy this tool or not. And also, let me know in the comments if there's any questions or any about this tool that maybe I didn't cover. I think I covered it fairly well. I'd be glad to answer that. I answer all my comments personally. So if you get a response, you're getting it directly from me. Again, thanks for joining me tonight. I really appreciate all your support. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and lastly, subscribe. And until next time, stay safe.